Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, we search about PixelFlow and you click. In this window of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here in this page of app info, we click on storage. And then here we click on clear cache. After that, you will go to Play Store. You will search about PixelFlow. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your